There you got two fellow riders I'm riding with in front of me, and then in front of them is a guy on a Harley, the passenger. And then leading the group here is two CHP officers. Kind of crazy. Only in California. And this is Sunday traffic. This isn't rush hour, this is Sunday traffic. Between my buddy in front of me that's got the Aprilia, you can hear it, and I'm sure that Harley guy is trying to give the cars a little heads up that we're trying to squeeze our way through here, which most people are, I don't know what he's shaking his head about. Most people are pretty good about getting over once they realize bikes are trying to squeeze through and filter through the traffic, but most of them aren't paying attention. Most people are on their phone and stuff. So the cool thing about Los Angeles and just Southern California in general is there are a lot of freeways. The bad thing is there's a lot of freeways, and it's all these interchanges. Like we just went past the 10 freeway, and now we're at the 405, and well, we're coming up on the 90 towards Marina Del Rey. I mean, there's just all these interchanges, which is what causes all of this traffic. It's the on and off filtering of cars from different freeways. And again, this is Sunday traffic. It's just crazy. There's no relief from the traffic in Southern California for the most part. I think probably 2 of the big days where the traffic is low is the Super Bowl, right, one of the best days to go out, drive or ride in California. Everyone's in their house watching the Super Bowl. And probably Christmas, maybe Thanksgiving. You know, everybody's eating dinner, doing that sort of stuff around the time. But man, the rest of the time, it is bananas. And you think there'd be a little bit of a break on a Sunday, for instance, but these areas like this here, they never get a break. Even rolling through here at 3 or 4 a.m. Got 2 CHPs side by side, just like Ponch and Jon. Chips. Never understood why those CHP motorcyclists ride side by side like they're doing right here. Doesn't make any sense. They may be heading over to LX to do some duty there. Crazy is they're not going slow. You can tell by my speedometer.